a motorcycle suit, bro?
Need to record nice clips. So you just have to hold. What? I'm filming you, bro. What? I'm holding like this. This is not okay? This is a good fucking angle. You can see everything. Bro. That's my camera now, bro. Why? Okay, what? How do you want me to hold it? Like this. Alright, let's go to the card. Okay, let me record first.
What are you trying to wipe?
Well, you're holding it the same fucking way as I am. Well, I have to... Yeah, I know that's so... You look goofy as shit on this. I don't care.
Are you on coke? Okay, yo, listen.
Guess what? I don't give a shit.
Honestly, bro,
What time is it? I'll give this book with money, fam. With money, fam.
The what?
I don't.
Dude, first catch your eye, bro. You wouldn't be able to fucking like know what I'm talking about if I fucking told you. Scat pack? Nah. That's a nigga move, nigga card. See these cars? First time bring your fucking
First day with the license guy.
Why? You're smoking fucking weed about to horns and shit. That's true. Swearing? Bad influence.
Sir, can you stop?
This is fucking nice.
Wasn't it your YouTube?
Yeah. I didn't post the one the other one we were at yet.
Oh, you posted it?
Not yet.
Oh, shit.
It's not somewhere. see this fucking car. No fucking way, you're in the fucking. I know you were, because you're antisocial.
Is your sister into cars?
No. Only one. My whole family. Barely.
You said he was into cars, didn't you?
No, he has an Audi. But
Did you appreciate your gifts, bro?
yeah.
Actually?
Yeah. You see this car right here? This white one? This was from Japan too.
Oh, really?
Imported. This right hand drive. Look, they're both standing together again. The silver car and look, they're standing together again. Those are set of your nigga cars. Why is that?
I think that's my dream car.
What's this right here? This fucking bus. What's that here for? Watch behind you. You keep saying it, but you don't. You do.
How much is this scout park used?
Probably like 50 grand.
15 grand?
50.
Used? Yeah. Actually?
Yeah. You're fucking crazy. Not gonna lie, cars here are kind of little more whack.
It's crazy, dude.
Yeah. You gotta get both frames, or both in the frame.
Let me film you, bro. What are you doing? For the fucking YouTube, dude.
Film the cars.
The cars. Okay.
I want to see your fucking.
Did what? Am I not filming the cars?
Yo, why are you walking so nonchalant?
Because I'm a nonchalant guy, dude. I'm a nonchalant guy.
First of all, you need to fucking scan.
Yes, I'm scanning, bitch. I'm scanning. What the fuck is this?
Some scan action.
Bitch, what the fuck is this? What, like the scan, bro?
Yo, you're moving like a fucking turret. Like, fucking record this shit.
Oh, shit.
You do that, you fucking. I need 400 bucks right now.
400 bucks? Dude, this is no way this is 400 bucks.
I don't care. 400 bucks because.
Dude, get a case, bro. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Once if that falls, you're fucked.
No, that's not how it works.
Or get like a fucking selfie stick.
That's not how it works. I have a selfie stick.
I can't imagine you with a fucking selfie stick walking about like
Watch
this.
out for this guy.
Is that waterproof?
No, I have a waterproof case at home. Here's some wise words for you. Here's some wise words for you. You're right here. Holy shit.
Is that from, do you see that from Delta?
No. They're just looking bad.
Dude, the fucking best is the Alfredo one, bro. The other one? It's fucking delicious. No problem. I thought that shit was healthy too, bro. I thought that was the only thing white people eat. Fucking Michelinas.
shirt for nothing, bro.
I know.
Oh, damn.
I know.
Busted out the brand new shirt for nothing.
See, this guy is like
Always around the cage.
fly.
Would you talk about even like not even like looking at the wheel or the seats?
Yeah.
Actually,
You never got these
how?
cars. You never got these cars here.
It's
your car?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
I wish though.
I was gonna say, yeah. It's gonna blow his engine. Again, what's fucking like going to that shit. They want to see what's fucking happening.
Dude, what is happening, bro?
I'll go around. I wanna fucking host my own meet one day. Imagine having the power to do that shit.
Yeah,
And gathering all these people here. Imagine how crazy that is.